Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can schedule and send your emails in Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you are logged into Zoho Mail and this will help you plan emails ahead and ensures timely communication. So, of course, you have to go to your new email and then what you will do is compose your email and then you will click arrow next to the send, which is right here, the send letter. So you have to fill in all of this first before before you are able to send it later or schedule the message. And then after you've already filled all that up, what you will have to do is just click this and then you will select date and time that you want the email to go out and then you will click schedule or recurring, and then finally you will review your scheduled emails under Outbacks, which is right here, and you will see a scheduled folder or scheduled section here, and then you can edit it if needed. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a good day.